How much does Adobe Photoshop cost? I've got the pricing plan page open right here, the official one from Adobe. So I'm going to go through what these different plans are, what they mean, and some of the different options that you have at the top here. But first things first, if you want a free trial, it's actually a free 7-day trial currently of Adobe Photoshop. You can click my link in the video description. You can get that free trial. You can see if Photoshop is the tool for you. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these paid plans. If not, you don't lose any money. You can cancel at any time. It is a free trial. So from here, from the main compare Photoshop plans page that I'm on right now, left to right, we've got the main Photoshop plan right now. They have a 50% saving currently as of the filming of this video. They also advertise here and they have it in their comparison kind of table. It's always good when you're on a pricing page here where you can see the table comparison, what you do get, and in some cases what you don't get for each of these different plan options. So you've got Firefly Pro here. So this is Photoshop on web and mobile plus 4,000 credits for creative AI. Then they also have this option here where you've got both Photoshop and Lightroom included. So as you can see, Photoshop on its own is cheaper. You can get Lightroom as well. Or if you want everything, you can get the full Creative Cloud Pro suite of apps. That's actually 20 plus apps. So you're getting everything from Photoshop, you're getting Lightroom, Illustrator, InDesign, I believe, Acrobat Pro, Premiere Pro, and lots of others. You're getting 20 plus apps right there. I think they mention some of the specific apps around here somewhere. Now I can't see it right now, but yeah, you're getting 20 plus apps. You can look into the detail here for Creative Cloud Pro. So all of these are options. This is in the individual plan price. If you are a student or a teacher, they currently have this really good deal on Creative Cloud Pro for the full suite at a very attractive price, as you can see right here. So if you're a student or a teacher, you can get that discount. And they also have these business plans right here for Photoshop and for Creative Cloud Pro. You can compare these plans. There's some frequently asked questions down here if you want some more information, but I highly encourage you to click my link in the video description, get that discount, get that free trial, check it out, see if it is for you, see if Photoshop is the right solution for you. If it is, you can stick around. If it isn't, there's nothing lost. You don't lose any money. You can cancel your trial at any time. So check out my link. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and if this video has been useful, drop the video a like. It really helps.